Hey guys, earlier today I posted the cutscene for Classified. It was in cartoon mode with some watermarks, so I wanted to go in and get a nice clean copy to show you guys. And I also wanted to confirm that it is round 150, and I wanted to find out what happens after you see the cutscene. I just reached round 150 moments ago, and that is confirmed. That's all you need to do. And when you go into the zombies mode and you look at the menu, you can see that it is now completed. That is the main quest. That's all there is. It says it only took 45 minutes to do it, but that is not accurate. And to do this, yes, unfortunately, the community as a whole has had to do glitches because the blue screen situation is out of control, and I'm not going to go over that. Most of you guys already know how bad it is. The way people are doing it is they're glitching out a custom mutations lobby, making it think that it's like a classic normal lobby, so all the Easter eggs count. You have to adjust the settings where it's dogs only, and that their health is half health, and that the spawn rate is a lot less. And then you set it to where you start on round 50. Those settings might guarantee you that you'll get there, but I've heard a few people today had done that and they did their settings just like that and they crashed with blue screen on around like 115 and in the 120s. So even that is not a guarantee. You got about a 50% chance of blue screening, and I'm going to make a video showing you guys how to glitch out a lobby and the best settings and what to do for this strategy. In the 140s, you can get the rounds going so fast that they are 3-minute rounds. And it's unfortunate that we have to put such extreme settings on, but again, it's really the only way at this time. So it is confirmed that all you have to do is go to round 150, and you're going to see right here that it's going to go straight into the cutscene. And make sure you turn off your round changing music because it does interfere with what they're saying, but I'll let you guys watch the cutscene.
We do not understand the Earth. We saw it destroyed, yet here we are.
It's more time travel bullshit, Tech. It just hasn't happened yet. Speaking of BS... How the hell did you get back in your body, Doc?
Does it matter, Dempsey?
I'll tell you what matter. Americans still give Nikolai his vodka. Is that your plan, Nikolai? To give up and drink yourself to oblivion? Or do you want to make a difference for once in your life?
You? Oh, Scheiße.
You four must come with us. In time, it will make sense. But now...
Intruders on the base. Hacker 4.
Now we must go, quickly. There is a war to be fought.
War? What kind of war?
A war unlike any you have ever seen. The Great War.
And this is one thing I was wondering, after the cutscene's over, what happens? Well, it puts you right back in the game, right where you left off, and you can continue to play. One thing I will warn you about, this glitch is incredibly difficult to do. You could spend 6 hours trying to get the lobby to glitch, and it never will. You just don't know. It's just a timing thing and very hard to do. And since we've got a glitched lobby situation and a blue screen situation, and it's pretty impossible for people to do this, I'm gonna upload this cutscene, just raw footage with no watermarks or anything. I'll have it down in the description and you guys can just use it on your videos, whatever you want to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!